Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Kids Tie-Dye Tees is probably one of the most exciting canvases for creativity, transforming simple white fabric into vibrant masterpieces, making them an absolute must-have for craft days, birthday parties, or any event where young artists want to express themselves with a splash of color, offering endless fun and personalized fashion for every child. Number 5. Fruit of the Loom Girls Undershirts. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and style for your little one. These undershirts are designed with her active day in mind, ensuring she feels great from morning to night. Crafted from a soft, breathable fabric, they provide all-day comfort. Your child will love how gentle they feel against her skin, making them ideal for everyday wear. Available in both camis and tanks, this collection offers versatile options. She can choose the style that best suits her outfit or activity, providing flexibility for any occasion. Each piece is thoughtfully designed to fit girls comfortably and securely. They offer a great base layer, perfect for wearing under any top or dress. From a brand you can trust, these undershirts are made to last. They combine durability with comfort, giving you peace of mind and her lasting wear. Make these a staple in her wardrobe. They are an essential part of her daily comfort, providing a smooth and comfortable layer she'll appreciate. What we like. This option offers versatile styles for girls. If you are looking for comfortable, everyday wear with multiple top options, this is a great choice. It's perfect for layering or wearing on its own. What people say. Number 4. Hanes Boys Essentials T-Shirt Value Pack. Discover the ultimate comfort for your young ones. These shirts are designed for everyday wear, providing softness they'll love. Available in convenient 3 or 6 pack options, you can stock up easily. This ensures they always have a fresh, comfortable tee ready. Crafted with soft, durable fabric, they offer a gentle feel against the skin. Your boys will stay comfortable whether playing or relaxing. Perfect for school, sports, or just lounging at home, these are truly versatile. They are a staple for any boy's wardrobe. Designed for active boys, these tees withstand countless washes and wears. They maintain their shape and softness, making them a parent's favorite. What we like. This pack provides excellent value for boys' basic needs. If you need multiple durable short-sleeve tees for daily wear or sports, this bulk option is ideal. It's a reliable staple for any active kid's wardrobe. What people say. Number 3. KOOL KRAFTS Tie-Dye Kit. Discover the joy of tie-dye with this all-inclusive kit. It provides everything you need to start creating vibrant, personalized designs right away. Inside, you'll find 12 brilliant colors, 4 white cotton t-shirts in various sizes, and all the essential accessories. This comprehensive set ensures you have every tool for your artistic journey. Relive cherished childhood memories or create new ones with your family. This kit offers a wonderful way for parents and kids to bond, fostering creativity without screens. Designed with safety in mind, its non-toxic, acid-free dyes are perfect for beginners and children. These vibrant colors are permanent, machine washable, and will stay bright through many washes. Creating beautiful tie-dye art is incredibly easy with the included step-by-step guide. Just follow the simple instructions to achieve amazing crafts you'll be proud to share. Looking for a special present? This kit makes a fantastic gift for any child, inspiring artistic expression and imaginative play. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or as a reward. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one solution for creative fun. If you want a complete tie-dye experience with everything included, even the shirts, this kit is perfect. It's designed for easy, safe use, making it great for parties or family activities. What people say. These t-shirts are perfect for tie-dye projects. The fabric holds dye well and the shirts are a good bulk option. Number 2. Fruit of the Loom Boys Eversoft Cotton. Discover the perfect blend of softness and durability. These garments are crafted from Eversoft cotton, ensuring a gentle feel against the skin all day long. Whether he needs an undershirt, a casual tee, or a cool tank top, this collection has him covered. They are designed for various activities, providing comfort in any situation. Made with high-quality Eversoft cotton, these items are designed to withstand countless washes and active play. They retain their shape and softness, offering lasting value. Experience superior breathability that keeps him cool and comfortable. Its soft texture makes it ideal for sensitive skin, preventing irritation throughout the day. From a brand you trust, these essentials offer reliable comfort and quality. They are perfect for everyday wear, providing a foundational layer for any outfit. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort with this super soft cotton blend. If you prioritize softness and a gentle feel against the skin for your boys' undershirts, this product delivers. It's designed for long-lasting comfort and durability. What people say. No positive product details could be extracted as the provided source reviews were empty. The source JSON contained no review content to analyze for helpful points. Number 1. Hanes Boys EcoSmart White T-Shirts. Discover the perfect everyday essential for your young one. These comfortable undershirts are designed with their active lifestyle in mind. Crafted with EcoSmart fabric, they offer a soft touch against the skin. Plus, you can feel good knowing they're made with sustainability in mind. Ideal for layering or wearing on their own, these short-sleeve shirts are incredibly versatile. They're perfect for school, play, or just relaxing at home. Featuring a timeless white design, they easily match any outfit. Your boy will look neat and feel great all day long. Available in convenient 5 or 10 packs, you'll always have a fresh one ready. Stock up on these durable and reliable undershirts for lasting wear. What we like. This option is a smart choice for environmentally conscious families. If you are looking for a sustainable product made with recycled materials without compromising on quality or value, this pack is an excellent fit. It offers comfort while being kind to the planet. What people say. No suitable reviews found in the provided source. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.